At Studio MNT, we don't just make furniture, we build with intent. Where design meets material, and material meets craftsmanship. Over the past decade, Studio MNT has grown into a design-led manufacturing facility in Delhi NCR, spanning over 1 lakh square feet, powered by advanced machinery, and driven by a team of over 100 skilled professionals. Led by designers from premier institutes such as the National Institute of Design and the School of Planning and Architecture. Every decision we make balances aesthetics, usability, and longevity. Our process begins at the source with the careful selection of raw timber. Each piece is chosen not just for its strength, but for its character. Because great design begins with honest material. This timber is then seasoned and shaped, transformed through precision, tooling, and skilled hands. Our craftsmen, with years of experience, bring sensitivity and control to every detail, especially where machines cannot. As the form takes shape, finishing brings it to life. Through meticulous sanding, polishing, and coating, we enhance the natural beauty of the wood while ensuring it endures over time. If timber is what you see, plywood is what you rely on. Plywood forms the core, within engineered for strength, stability, and durability. Together, they create a seamless balance of beauty and performance. With state-of-the-art machinery, precision and scale go hand in hand. From high-speed cutting to automated edge banding and advanced multi-boarding, every component is crafted with accuracy and efficiency. Our in-house paint department, equipped with a double waterfall paint booth setup, delivers world-class finishes across woods and veneers. Our upholstery division combines modern stitching technology with material expertise, working across fabrics, leather, and vegan alternatives. From stitch precision to internal spring systems and support structures, every detail is engineered to deliver the right balance of comfort and durability. The final pieces are assembled with care or prepared for seamless installation on site. From raw material to final form, every step at Studio MNT is guided by design, driven by precision, and executed with purpose. Because great furniture isn't just made, it's crafted with intent.